Everyone, so this is the wig we're going to be using for today's video, and it already came pre-plucked and the knots are already bleached, so that makes it easier to install. And it comes with 3 clips to make sure it's secured on the head, and also with a back elastic hook. And this is a Swiss-less front wig from Vanlov mole hair. And Swiss-less front wigs are some of the most sought after lace wigs because they are softer and thinner than the normal lace used in most lace front wigs. This is a 100% Brazilian human hair wig, and I have it in 24 inches. Okay, so I'm going to take my scarf off, and one of the easiest way I use to install my wigs is to make sure I have my wig cap on, just so my natural hair is protected from the pulling of the combs on the wig. And I'll go ahead and cut off the excess lace material that comes with the wig. I like to clip the hooks together for added security, and then I go ahead and put my wig on. And right here is something I do anytime I want to quickly apply my wig, and it's using a makeup remover to clean off any oil or foundation from the hairline, because that can prevent your gel from sticking immediately. So I'll go in with my handy dandy got to be glued gel and the free spray, and just take 1 pump of it. And the more you use, the more time it will require to dry, so I like to take a little quantity and apply all over my hairline. Make sure you avoid your baby hair, and to make it easier, I don't wait for it to completely dry out. I just wait for 2 minutes and then apply my wig onto it while it's still wet, and I find that it applies faster and better like this. So I like to use the tail of my comb to press it down, because I've noticed anytime I use my fingers it produces white residues, so please don't do that. After that, I will tie the frontal down with a scarf and wait for 2 to 3 minutes for it to dry. And I've noticed that once I use a little gel, it makes everything easier and faster. Don't mind my goofy self. And of course, while waiting, I go and check out my Instagram. Make sure you follow me on there. And after 3 minutes, I'll remove the scarf, and voila, the frontal is completely laid for 3 to 5 days. It's simply amazing how a little goes a long way. And I will just go ahead and pat the hair and style it to my desired style. And I didn't want to go for the typical baby hair laying, so I just gelled down the hair in the front. And also, I like to use water to refresh my curls, and that is it, you guys. This is exactly how I install my frontals. Like, it's very easy, very fast, especially if you just want to do it and get out the door. So here we are 3 days after, and the curls are still popping, you guys. One thing I noticed with this hair is the more you wear it, the bigger it becomes. Like, it's becoming fuller and fuller and fuller. And for the past 3 days, I've just had it on my head. I haven't taken it down. Like, I don't want to take it down, you guys, but I think like the more you finger comb it, the bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger it becomes. Like, look at that, it's so full. And also, I like the fact that it's 24 inches, so like, I love long hair. I had to like glue down the frontal today, like the 3rd day today, because it was kind of lifting up, because of course I bait with it, I do everything with it, so the glue was pulling a little bit right here, so I had to glue it down, as you all can see. And my curls are still popping, yes. And if you have a curly wig and you don't know how to refresh it, like, the easiest way I do it is I use argan oil and water. Like, I just put in some argan oil inside my spray bottle and just use it to spray on the hair, and just water and argan oil does so well in refreshing your curls. And also, when you feel like your hair is getting fuller, like it's getting really big, you can just do this and it will help kind of tame the curls, it will help like shrink it down. Once I'm done, I like to go in with my hair mousse and just apply some of it onto the curls. Just massage it all over the hair, and this will help like lock in the curls. Yes, I'm really loving this hair, you guys. Like, it's so soft, and it's also very easy to manage. There are some curly hair that when you deal with them, you'll be like, oh my gosh, like, you don't want to be bothered with curly hair anymore. But this right here is so manageable. Like, go over to this side, do the exact same thing. And like I said, this hair is from Vanlov Hair Mall, and I have here their Brazilian water wave in 24 inches. Like, you guys, I'm loving this hair. Yes, you guys, yes. I just wanted to quickly update you guys. This particular method I showed you guys in this video made it so easier for me, you know, with installing my frontals, because to be honest, I used to be so like scared of installing frontals. I don't like them, especially like when I'm running out the door, because they always take me a lot of time to install. But ever since I just discovered applying the glue, spraying the free spray, and just maybe giving it like a minute, and then go ahead and put on your wig and just tie it down, you know, it's easier, unlike waiting for the glue to be tacky and to dry. It's just a whole long process. But just, you know, taking it the way I just showed you guys in this video makes it really easy to install your, you know, frontals and your wigs. Yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'm going to leave every info regarding this hair in my description box, so definitely try and check that out. As you all can see, like, I can't get my hands off this hair. But yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed, and till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.